Good morning, dear children of class 4th A and C. So, today we are going to start with the reading of lesson 9 Divide and Eat. You have done the copy work. I hope you have by now done the copy work. Now we will do the reading today. Divide and Eat, it is written by Sudha Murthy. Now, before starting the lesson, will do the warm-up exercise, which is unscramble the word given here and say what they have in common. Now, what they have these words in common, I've already done. These are unscrambled word. Unscramble क्या किया हुआ है हमने, इधर उधर किया हुआ है. It's not the word is not arranged, the letters are not arranged in a proper order, so they are not giving you any meaning. But what you have to do, you have to arrange it in a proper order to make a meaningful word. Now, first is share, second is divide, third is split, fourth is distribute, and last is donate. Now, what is the one thing common in all these words? It gives you the meaning of giving, sharing. Share, okay, then divide. When we obviously sometimes when you are sharing anything, any chocolate, any candy with any of your friend or your brother, sister, what you do, you divide, isn't it? You divide. Same way split is also divide, किसी चीज से अलग कर देना, split. Distribute, when you have birthdays and then in the last period, what you do, you distribute the sweets. You have a number of chocolates and you distribute it among your classmates. Then donate is giving, donation, giving something to someone, that is donate. So what is there in this? The common is sharing, giving, and splitting, dividing. Sharing, when you share, you divide something. So this lesson, Divide and Eat, this tells you the story about two brothers, Ramesh and Suresh. They are twins. ठीक है, they are twins, and as they are twins, sometimes we say that twins, brothers sisters, or sisters or brothers, they have something common. Means कभी कभी ऐसा होता है that we say that they have something in common, nature उनका same है, or they have the same temperament. But it was not so in Ramesh and Suresh में ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. Ramesh and Suresh were different from each other in looks also, okay, दिखने में भी वो different थे, and also in their behavior and temperament and nature. Once upon a time, there were two brothers. Though they were twins, they were very different. They were different from each other. दोनों से अलग थे, वो दोनों एक दूसरे से बहुत अलग थे. While Ramesh was well built, the meaning of well built is very large and strong person. वो body build उसकी बहुत अच्छी थी. He was very his health was very good. Okay, he was well built, very cheerful. He was kind of a happy person. हमेशा खुश रहता था. He was kind of a happy person, cheerful, and always ready to help people in need. So Ramesh was like this, and Suresh on the other hand was thin, quiet, and miser. He was not well built. Okay, then he was quiet. He was not at all cheerful and happy. He was kind of a pessimistic person. Person means person with negativity, person who is not at all happy. Okay, and miser, the person who hates to spend money on something, जिसको आप in Hindi you call it कंजूस, जो आप बोलते हो कंजूस बोलते हो कि बहुत कंजूस है. So in English we call it miser. So he was miser. Okay, so he was miser. He didn't want to spend money easily. He always used to save. One is saving money is different thing, okay, and one is not spending on things. That means वो कंजूस है. Saving is also good. Saving money is good, but you are not buying anything which is necessary. Okay, a कंजूस person, a miser person, what the miser person will do, will not buy necessary things which he needs to buy. Why? Just to save money. He is called as Kanjus. Okay, he is called as Kanjus. He is called as miser. But on the other hand, the person who saves the money, I am telling you the difference between a miser and the person who is saving the money. ठीक है? The person who is saving the money will what he will do? He or she will check. He or she will keep a check on his expenses. मतलब अपने खर्चे पे एक he will keep a check, means he will not spend recklessly. मतलब वो फालतू के पैसे ऐसे खर्च नहीं करेगा. That is money saving person, not a miser person. ठीक है? The brother did not get along well with each other and spent all their time quarreling. Quarreling is fighting. So they didn't get along, means उनकी बनती नहीं थी. They didn't get along and they spend most of the time quarreling among themselves. When they were 20 years old, they decided to leave their village and go to the big city to make a living, earn more money. So when they were 20 years old, they decided that both of them will leave their village and will go to the city to make a living, to earn more money. It was a hot day when they reached a huge banyan tree, means they started their journey, and then it was a very hot day when they reached a huge banyan tree. Okay, huge banyan tree standing under its soothing shade. Soothing shade, very, very, you can say that the thing that gives you ease, that gives you एक आराम देना जिसको आप बोलते हो, that is soothing, very, very soothing. So it was, the shade of the banyan tree was very, very soothing. And they finally agreed on something. Now they finally agreed on something. What? That they were very, very hungry. Because they were hungry, so knowing well, they would argue bitterly if they had to share their lunch. Okay? Their mother had packed 2 lunch boxes. Okay, now when they were 20 years of old, they decided to leave their village and go to the city to earn more money. They started their journey and it was a hot day. When they reached a huge banyan tree, both of them agreed that we will take a rest under this shade of this banyan tree, under this soothing shade of banyan tree. Both of them finally they agreed. Okay. And they were hungry also. Second, they were hungry also. अब उनको भूख भी लगी थी. So they were hungry also. Now, knowing well, they would argue bitterly. Now their mother, Ramesh and Suresh's mother, she knew very well that my children will argue. My children will fight. So what is argue bitterly? Argue means quarreling, लड़ाई करना. Bitterly, very angrily, means दोनों क्या करने लगेंगे? They will fight bitterly. They will start quarreling. So she knew that they will start quarreling. So what did she do? She packed 2 separate lunch boxes for them. She packed 2 separate lunch boxes for them because she knew, she's a mother. Okay, mother को पता होता है कि मेरे बच्चे कैसे हैं, किस बात पे वो झगड़ा कर सकते हैं. So on what they can fight, on what they can quarrel. So she packed 2 different lunch boxes for them.